Okay, now, Mthunzi kissing Madlomo is one thing, and there's nothing wrong with that. But Madlomo removing Mthunzi's t-shirt, that was a disaster. It's a pandemic. In fact, it's wrong in all aspects. Guys, come on. Let us talk about that here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So I saw this, and you'll probably see this video after you've watched the whole thing. So this is a clip that I created after watching this on Facebook, and I needed to say this, guys. I am so traumatized. I knew that Madlomo and Mthunzi getting close was a sign of something. In fact, I thought someone else from Madlomo's family was going to be in trouble. I thought Mthunzi was going to do something to someone. I never thought that Madlomo and Mthunzi would end up dating. I mean, I understand Mthunzi's side. Madlomo is beautiful, well-shaped, and got a good heart. Like, any guy would fall for her, so she's lovable and everything. But guys, what is Madlomo seeing in Mthunzi? Is she attracted by the fact that he's a criminal? I mean, I've been trying to think, but nothing comes to my mind with regards to this. I really don't understand what is happening here. Pela, Mthunzi should be everything that Madlomo hates in a man. And for her to be the one who removed Mthunzi's shirt first, I don't know. The only thing that comes out of my mind right now is Itswai. Yay, guys, Itswai is a serious problem. Anyway, you guys probably enjoy this. You'll probably love the fact that Madlomo and Mthunzi made love, or they are now in a relationship, or whatever you want to call it. But no, man, I don't think this is it. You know what? Comment down in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts, share your opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, just like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.